My name is Neil Harris, and this Gallery Teachers Masterclass is looking at the whole concept of testing and assessment. I start off by looking at why they're different, and this is a really important point. And this is why I think this is a great masterclass for anyone who's involved in teaching, testing, and assessment of their learners. I'm going to show you how testing, as important as it is only one small part of the wider cut subject of assessment. What I'd like to do is help you to see how we can move away from assessing of learning, in other words, assessing the product of learning, but be much more interested and involve the students within the process of assessment for learning, which, to be honest, you're probably doing already, maybe without realizing it. If any of you are doing vocab review quizzes with your students, you're involved in assessment for learning, but also to explain a bit about assessment as learning, which is where the students become much more involved as self-regulated learners in the process of thinking about their learning, understanding their strengths, their weaknesses, so that they can be involved in becoming better learners, making the classroom a more effective, and I actually believe, hopefully, an even more joyful place to be.